Hey everybody, this is Hunter. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to do a tour of the 2022 Cardinal Luxury 370 FLX. This is an absolutely beautiful full body painted fifth wheel. And this thing is decked out to the gills. And as you're going to see walking through here, there is some stuff already packed into it. A lovely couple traveled all the way up to Ohio to pick this thing up that they ordered, and they were they're kind enough to allow me to do a nice little video here before they left. But again, the 2022 Cardinal Luxury 370 FLX. As you can hear, it is a windy, cold one. But yeah, today I'm going to do probably about 10-15 minutes on the inside, take a couple minutes here on the outside, just to give you a nice little tour. If you guys are interested in this. But if you guys like RV videos, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for me. I have a goal of hitting 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I don't think I'm going to hit that, but I got pretty darn close. I'm sitting right at about 4,450 or so. But being a front living camper, let's go ahead and start right up here. So first off, as you walk in, 2 steps, you got this nice little grab handle here. Now, I've been selling Cardinal across a couple different dealerships, for the last 9 years. And I'll tell you what, in terms of quality, look, these things have come a very, very long way. They are, they've very quickly become one of the best campers on the market, I believe. I mean, look how beautiful this is. So right over here, you have your power recliners. Looks like they have a nice little office chair here. But on these, you have extend and retract. You have these lights that you can kick on, which also put some accent lighting there down on the floor. Then you also have a massage mode. These things are extremely comfortable. I've taken naps and ones just like this plenty of times. Over here to the right, not only do you have a little window, but they also have the night shades and the day shades. So every window comes with a night and day shade, which is a nice little added touch. You also got 2 USBs. And 2 outlets, opposing slides here in the front. And what that's going to give you is both of these couches will pull out to make additional sleeping space. They'll meet here up in the middle. But yeah, you can fit 4 of your occasional sleepers right up here, no problem. You have a fireplace right there. It's your 45-inch electric fireplace. That has a setting that'll go all the way up to 100 degrees. So that is more than capable of, I would say, heating up this entire front portion of the coach, even into the edges of the kitchen there. So definitely a ton of good output from that. You're also going to notice there is accent lighting throughout this entire camper. So that makes it not only look nice here when it's kind of in, day mode, but at nighttime, when you turn off the lights, like let's do this right here. Got a little click right here. I think that makes it, kind of a nice little ambient feeling, as well. So, during the nighttime, you got a little bit of light that's not too, obstructive to, your camping, I guess. So nice counter space up here to put whatever you want. You also have storage to the left and to the right of your TV. Looks like they're already moving in and making a home. Got a griddle and a crock pot. More storage here again. And you'll see behind this TV, you have this really nice window. Now to get that TV down, the televator, I heard someone on Instagram say on one of my quick little 45-second tours. If you guys like that, check me out there, the RV Hunter. Type that right into Instagram. All these long tours that I do, I also do a quick little snapshot tour of as well. But check that out. A little bit of a dreary day out here. We got some crazy, crazy storms last night, and the wind has just not stopped. Outlet, again. You got your day and your night shades as well. Emergency exit if you can't get down the stairs. There's also an emergency exit right over here as well. So if for some reason you get stuck up in here, you still have a nice, kind of effective way of getting out of the camper. All right, you got yourself a nice ceiling fan. So get some air circulating, you're good to go. Again, like I mentioned before, you have accent lighting throughout this entire coach. Right here on this island is no exception. Solid surface countertops. You got your kind of your farmhouse style, your double bowl But that's going to be your undermounted stainless steel with your high-rise residential stainless steel faucet. You have some storage here underneath with some access to your plumbing. Before you head up to that living room, right off here to the side, you got plenty of extra storage. You got a little place that maybe you can hook up, you know, a Keurig. You also have a couple USB ports. Again, solid surface countertops. Water heater. And this right here is going to be your control panel. So you can control the entire camper from this. Master light, you know, off, on, electric, check through that. All of your lights. Your HVAC system. So this thing has 3 AC. So you can make each room a different temperature, all from a click of a button right here. This is also accessible from your cell phone as well. So that's definitely something to check out. And if you guys aren't a fan of those touch screens, you know, like I showed you here up front, there are those little touch buttons all over the place. So you got some storage, and then right there is going to be your fuse box. So if something happens to not be turning on, open that up, and a little light should be glowing red for what is not working. You got some storage right here. And some more storage right there. As you can see, these people are experienced campers. They already know where everything is going. And like all of us do, starting to kind of pack rat it away. All right, flipping around to kind of where the magic happens when you're cooking food. You got your refrigerator, and this has 2 of the pullouts for your freezer. So as you can see, a really nice residential refrigerator. You can definitely fit a week's worth of food in there, no problem, for those extended, those extended camping trips. Right here, you have the Greystone oven. So this is going to be one of the top 2 largest ovens in the industry. There's this and the Insignia. Plenty of room in there. You can cook yourself, a full turkey if you choose. They also have the 4 stovetop burners, which is nice. Again, solid surface countertops, a couple outlets, and you got this nice little black splash right there. Hopefully that design picks up okay. Show off the guns. Convection microwave. We all know what those are, I'm sure. Some storage up above and around. And then you got 2 of these, the bigger ones right here. All right, so as we come around, you got another slide out right here. Actually, you know what? Let me show you this real quick. So you got these residential bulbs. They're looking nice and slick. They are glass. You also have whatever that thing is called. It's looking nice. Max air vent there. Keep the air kind of circulating for you, as well as that fan. But you got this table with a little hanging leaf. You snap that up. You have 2 additional chairs, which are either going to be under the bed or in the storage. I'm not quite sure where they put them. But you also have 3 windows up here. So if you're sitting down, playing some cards, having a meal, drinking coffee, you can still enjoy the outside, right from your seat. This unit is a 1.5 bath model. So right behind this door, it is that is your half bath. Now I know they warned me, put a whole bunch of stuff in there, but that's okay. Got yourself a sink, and check out the ceiling height on this. Another max air vent fan right there. And that about wraps us up here for the kitchen and the living room. Let's head on up here into the bedroom. So right as you come up, right before you come down the stair or up the stairs, you got storage here to the left. More storage right here as well. And I believe, yeah, these are going to be the same there as those over to the right. But you got a place where you can put some hanging clothes and some stowaway items. You got yourself another window along with a couple outlets right there. And your USB ports, a 32-inch TV, and you have your dresser. So you have 2 of these smaller drawers up top. And then you have 4 of these larger ones right there. All right, so we swing it around. First off, you got the Cadet wall heater. That thing gets absolutely roasting. So between the Cadet wall heater and then the fireplace that we had up in the front, on a day that's about 45 degrees, that's really all the heat that you're going to need. And again, accent lighting. It just adds to the, just adds to the experience. I love accent lighting. I'm a big fan of it myself personally. Underneath here, you have plenty of storage, as you can see. Enough for at least 4 totes and a garbage can. And this bathroom is definitely one of my favorite bathrooms, in the industry. First off, I love that there is plenty of floor space, plenty of counter space. The mirror is absolutely awesome. But there's also spaces right here for a stackable washer and dryer. So for that more of a full-time residential camper, that is worth its weight in gold right there. The shower is a one-piece fiberglass, so you don't have to worry, too much about, things like leaks or anything coming apart, because there's nothing to come apart. It is one piece. Skylight lets some natural light in, and you also have another max air vent. So right here, like I said, bada bing, bada boom, plenty of counter space. You have your 2 bowls, outlet, and you have plenty of storage right there. You got 3 of these bad boys. And obviously that goes over, to the right. Let's see if I can get this thing to scoot over there. And then right here, you got 2 of these. So one right there, one right here. Access to some plumbing and a little bit of extra storage. And you got 2 of these drawers right there as well. Foot push, flush, oh, geez, oh, Pete. Got yourself a toilet. There's a window and another look here at the bedroom. I definitely love where the Cardinal's heading. I mean, I think that you would agree. This is looking sharp. It is nice. That's about it for the inside tour. Again, it's the 2022 Cardinal Luxury 370 FLX. And again, if you guys don't mind, if you made it this far, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for me. But now we're going to head around to the outside. All right, so you have 2 awnings on this. They stretch all the way from here to the back side of the coach. You also have your LED lights. You have your pass-through storage, which is already jam-packed full of a whole bunch of stuffola. This gives you a chance to see, too, the construction. You got yourself the aluminum. And you're going to notice on all of the slides, not a lot of Keystones can say this, but fully laminated. So hard as a rock there, just helps out. This customer also opted to put on the slide toppers as well. You got yourself an outside TV with your slam latch doors. One thing to check when you get slam latch doors is always make sure that right there is metal. Oftentimes they try to cheapen out, put some plastic there, but as you can see, slams on down with your magnetic latches. So awning 1, now awning 2. I would say you're looking at probably 16 feet and 14 feet, something around there. Beautiful full body paint job. And check out this pass-through storage back here as well. This is absolutely massive. So pretty incredible amount of storage space in this camper. And then as you head on towards the back, you have yourself your hitch here. So that way you can put on maybe, some cargo carrying, maybe some bike racks, whatever you want to do there. This also comes on the MoreRide pull-out tray. So as you can see, you pull that out. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy access to what you're putting in there. Ladder that goes up all the way to your fully walkable roof. That way you can do, all your maintenance. I suggest going up there probably 3 or 4 times, just checking the seals. This camper is also prepped for a backup camera. If you'd like to put that on, you're looking at $550, but it's money well spent. 3 slide outs on this side, all of which come with that slide topper. And that's where that storage from the back comes through all the way to up here. So that is a pretty incredible amount of space. So you also get the Kurt Rotoflex. That's nice because as you're driving, chucking and bucking, this front part isn't stiff. So it'll actually kind of bounce around with you. Makes for a little bit of a smoother tow. Let's get a good view here of the storage here. Got plenty of storage right in here. This is gen prepped. You got the generator box if you'd like to put that in. It's not too cumbersome of a job. A couple hours and some trained hands will get that done. But yeah, that about wraps it up. But again, it's the 2022 Cardinal Luxury 370 FLX. My name is Hunter. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See ya.